In this video, I want to show you how to find trending hashtags on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So maybe you want to look for trending hashtags in your industry on TikTok. What you have to do is go to your TikTok account, go to your profile. Now, the first thing you must do here is switch your TikTok account to a business account. If you don't know how to do that, go to your settings and then you go to account and then you click on switch to. I'm already a business account, but if you are a personal account, you're going to see switch to business account here, but mine is already a business account, so you are going to switch to business account. Now once you are done switching to business account, come back here and then you're going to click on the three lines at the top here and click business rule. Remember, we are trying to find out trending hashtags. Now when you are on business rule, click on creative hub. On creative hub, they are going to give you trending accounts, trending hashtags, and trending music. So we're in search of trending hashtag. All you have to do is to click on hashtags and it'll give you all the trending hashtags in various industry. Now in art and craft, France is trending right now at the moment. In sports, Real Madrid is, or I see under art and craft, Real Madrid is trending, Douala is trending, Champions League is trending, and so on. So you can go on, because I'm using a business account for art and craft. So if you want to filter, you can choose maybe which industry you are in. So if I want to find out trending hashtags in real estate, all I have to do is to choose real estate and I click on save, and then this is going to give me the trending hashtags in real estate. And see yet, these are the hashtags that are trending in real estate. So you just have to choose which one is best for you and go ahead and use it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube